Hi, welcome Priya. Upload videos twice a week on fashion, styling, beauty, reuse, DIYs, hacks, stitching, and tailoring. If you are interested in such videos, please do check out my videos. The link will be mentioned in the description box below. Also, do subscribe if you're interested to know when I upload a video. Today's video is reuse of my old anarkali dresses. 2 months back, I shared my anarkali dress collection in which I shared how I styled those dresses. This video is reuse ideas of the same anarkali dresses which I stopped using or which were not in a condition to be used. In this video, I'll be sharing ideas of how I recreated those dresses again to be used either as a dress or as some useful thing. As there are many ideas in this video, please watch till the end. The first look is black anarkali, which was a knee length, which I styled at my friend's engagement. I actually purchased it for Sankranti and then restyled it many other times. I only stopped using the anarkali top and it came in a set with chudidar and dupatta, which I am still using. As this anarkali top is in a netted pattern and has a tapeta silk lining fabric in it, I have used this to recreate or reuse it as a sleeveless blouse. And this is how the sleeveless blouse turned out to be. It is good, comfortable, and can be mixed match in many ways, as black color usually gets matched with many colors. As this anarkali had kalis at the lower bust area and the top portion was like a blouse, so I used the back portion which had less work and converted it into a small purse. The next idea from the same anarkali is there are two shoulder straps inside the netted portion. As you can see in the video, I used the straps to convert it into a waist belt and added two dories at the sides. I haven't completed this. I'm just clicking a photo to give you an idea how it looks. You too can reuse your old anarkali in this way to make it useful. Coming to chudidar of the same set, it is still in a good condition and I am mix matching it and using it with these two tops. The next is beige and pink color anarkali set, which again came in a anarkali top, chudidar and semi-colored dupatta. The base beige color cloth was spoiled, so it could not be used in any way. The borders, the patches which are there after a certain distance are still in a good condition, so I have removed and kept it to attach it on some matching dress. The chudidar is used to increase the flare of the lehenga, which I have shared a tutorial earlier. In case if you wish to and haven't checked it, you will get the link in a description box below. Also, the cloth of the chudidar was not completely good, so half of the portion which was good was used for the lehenga and the half which was not in a good condition had to be just disposed of. The next one is olive green color anarkali, which had kalis on the net and that was completely spoiled. I just removed the borders and used it somewhere else. Now if possible, I'll join the chudidar and the inner lining of the anarkali cloth to convert it again into a lehenga, just like I did the raw silk and the beige color pink colored chudidars anarkalis lehenga. Similarly, I can convert this too. If you too have a similar kind of dress, you can reuse and use either a contrast two colors or the same two colors and convert it into a skirt or a lehenga. Another idea or use what you can do with the broad borders of such dresses is convert it into a pouch or a purse, just as I did with the black anarkali's golden brocade cloth. I converted it into a small purse and similarly it can be applied for this too. Now this pink anarkali was only a ready-made top and it was the only one which was in cotton material. I used it and restyled it many times with the leggings and dupatta of the same color. Later, when it became tight and tore off in the top slightly, I removed the design stitches and then used it as a maxi dress. And later on, when the top portion tore off completely, I just cut off the lower portion, attached it as a lining to a skirt, which you are seeing it in the video. And this is how it looks. This made my transparent skirt a good stiff one, comfortable to wear it in the winters. This dress is the least useful one. And I restyled it with black leggings and black stroll or dupatta. Later on, when it tore off, it didn't have any border, nor the lining was in a good condition. Also, it had two sleeves which too tore off. The dupatta is quite small in length and width wise. Although I have kept it, let's see if it turns out to be useful in some way. I'll surely share it in one of my videos. Those who have been watching me for a quite long time might have watched this video in which I have shared how I increased the flare of the anarkali dress, which was a floor length, and converted it into a lehenga, in which I have kept the net portion of the anarkali as it is. I have attached a chudidar to the inner lining of the anarkali gown and converted it into a lehenga. In this, I have used the same lining of the anarkali, the net of the anarkali, and a chudidar of the pink and the beige color, which I initially showed and shared the pic. I have also made a tutorial on it. I'll link it below. Please do check it out. It has turned out to be very good, and the length and the flare has increased very well. I'll be pairing it with the black blouse and pink dupatta, or with the black blouse and golden and black color anarkali tops dupatta. Now, two of the dresses I haven't shared how I reused it is because I was still using it just before the lockdown, and I haven't checked it out whether it still fits me or not. In case if I reuse it, I'll share it in my few of my next videos. Do comment below which one was the best reuse idea. Do like if you liked it for any reason. It does matter for me. Stay connected, keep watching to see what it turns out to be. Thanks for watching. Please do like if you liked it for any reason and share it with your family and friends. Please do comment below if you liked my video so that I'll bring even more ideas. Till then, check out my other videos. The link will be mentioned in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Hope it was useful. Bye.